No, we just need to to grab them if they decide. Well, if Dixie
You know what?
decides.
If once they run, if I call him, he'll stay.
Yeah.
Hello, Gracie. Good boy. Gracie. Good boy.
Good boy. Now, as long as she's playing, it's okay. It's just the minute she stops playing,
She may run.
she's going to find the first person with food. She doesn't bay for every dog. That's special.
Alejito, Gracie.
Come on.
Hello.
Let's stay this way, kids.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good girl. Ooh. I know. She's got him tethered.
Nice slam. That was a good slam, Dixie.
She did. Are you so happy? Are you saying Navajo? Sit. No, not sitting, huh?